We are now coming to the end of the La Liga season, so it's quite interesting, and things are boiling up as we reach the final touches. So there are 6 games left for each team for the La Liga. So Barca only needs 9 points for them to win this league again. They only need 9 points so far, but this is what they need. To be very safe, they need 10 points. So they only need to win 3 games and 1 draw out of the remaining 6 games. So they still have a lot of work to do. There's no time to relax. So as we are speaking, tomorrow they'll be playing with Getafe. Then after that, they'll be going away again to Osasuna. So those two games are important. They need to win those 2 games, or to win 1 and draw 1 if the West come to the West. Then they will host Real Madrid. That will be an El Clasico one without Yamal. It's going to be a difficult one. Then they'll be going to Alaves, which we see they were playing very well of late. Then they will host Real Betis, as well as going out to Valencia. So what they need now is to be so solid at 9 points, the 10 points and above. So they need to win 3 games. So there's no time to relax. So they need to win tomorrow's game as well. Then if they go to Osasuna again on 2nd of May, they need also to win this game, so that by doing that, they will be coming closer to win the title. If they win these 2 matches before the El Clasico, they'll be already left with 4 points. Then the El Clasico will be probably the game for them to win and win the title. If they win the El Clasico after winning these 2 matches, then eventually they'll win the title. So what they need to do now is to win the next 3 games, including the El Clasico. If things become tough, then they need to win at least 2 games out of 3. Then they win the other 2 games out of 3. Then they've won the league. So wish our boys very well.